how to buy Penguwifhat token. So this token came under the symbol of PWH. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token it's available on the screen as you can see here, guys. And this token as you can see, it's increased by 200% in the last 24 hours, and the market cap is 300 and keep raising $300,000, and the volume it's 4.9 million dollar. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address it came under the Solana network. Now for that, open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Now click on it here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select a provider for here, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. And if you are ready to go, just click on swap and you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues after that, go back to this page and switch the slippage, because the most of issues on your buy process came from the slippage. Now switch the slippage from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Penguwifhat token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.